gotta organize my desk. Like, if I had $1 for every time I said that, I'd have like $12. Hi, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be opening up a box, maybe trying on some stuff depending on what's in here. I got my Boxycharm box. I'm pretty sure this is the premium, but I thought I had canceled it. But maybe I canceled it for next month, or it was too late canceling it. I don't know, but this is the Boxycharm. We're gonna open it. I already opened it. Oh, that's right. Look, premium. Got some goodies on the top here. Oh my, there's a card. I thought, no? No. Huh, okay. This month's box did not come with a card. I also want to point out that my box was previously sealed and then opened and then resealed again. So let's just go through things as I pull them out. Yeah, I think there was a reason I canceled some of my Boxycharm boxes after all, right? Maybe. Numero uno. The first thing I'm pulling out here, it is from Fenty by Rihanna. What are you? You're a portable contour and concealer brush. That's kind of cute. We just have to figure things out on our own. Not like I haven't done it before. Oh, look at that. That is beautiful. I think the only things I have that are Fenty is the primer and the foundation, which I love. Like all of last summer, that was me. That was my skin tone. Beautiful. Let me tell you something. Cute. And you just, oh, it's a needle. That's it. I mean, pretty soft, but that's it. This huge thing, and that's all it is. It seems kind of a bit much for what it is, but okay, that's cute. I haven't gotten anything Fenty in any of my boxes so far, so this is actually pretty neat. I'm gonna have to think about this one. Designed for use with magnetized matchsticks, which I have seen. I don't have any of them, so I'll have to look a little bit more into this, but okay, cool. You got that one. Next here we have Lash Volumizer. Okay, so this is an eyelash and eyebrow booster formula from DERMELECT. Am I saying that right? Probably not. That's okay though. So since we don't have a card, I have to open this and see what it is. This big box for that little thing. I mean, presentation is impressive. Okay, so this is what it looks like inside. It kind of gives me like Maybelline vibes. Like I think it's their lips that look like this. Everything. So cute though. So what do you do with it? Excellent for eyebrows, but like, is it, okay, application. Before bedtime, apply to clean dry lashes from root to tip and leave on. We also recommend for eyebrows. I mean, my eyebrows don't really need any help. They're kind of unruly, so maybe this will help. I may have to try this one out. I am intrigued. Next, we have the, what are you? Longwear Gel Eyeliner from Milk Makeup. I actually really like Milk. There's nothing that I've tried from them that I don't like. I think it's a really great brand. And this is in the shade Boss. So, I guess they know what they're doing. Let me open you. See what's up. Big box, little pencil. That is nice though. It's got like the matte finish on the outside. Hello. Long wear gel eyeliner. Oh, there's instructions. Okay, so on this side it says Boss. Probably can't see. This side says smudger and sharpener. So let me look here. Oh, that's so cute. Oh, do you turn it? Oh, hold on. Okay, so this is the black. Beautiful. I don't know if you can tell. I like black. This. Oh, it does. It's a twist up. I'm okay with that. I'm okay with that. I'm gonna keep this too. So, oh, sir. Them's is some nice lines. Look at that. Oh my gosh. Not too bad on the smudge either. Okay, we can be friends. I'm gonna hang on to you. Wow, what is this? Matte satin lipstick in the shade Spirit. So, fun fact, never have I ever owned, tried, bought, borrowed, wanted anything from MAC. I hear it said a lot about from a lot of my friends, a lot of colleagues, a lot of people I watch. I don't know. Let's see though. This may be my time to try. Oh, that's cute though. Hi. Spirit satin lipstick. I like that case look though. That is pretty. This is how they normally come? Yeah? Ooh, hi. Oh, sun. Oh, the heat got to it. Poor thing. Look at it. It's got little bubbles all over it. Oh, that's expected. I live in Arizona. That's kind of cute. I may have to keep this and give it a try. Like I said, I've never had, owned, bought, wanted anything from MAC, which I don't know if it's a bad thing or a good thing. We're going to find out with this. So we'll have to try it. Yeah. Let me know in the comments though if you have anything from MAC. Next in the box we have this. It is a C.E.O. Vitamin C Rich Hydration Cream by Sunday Riley. I can't talk today, or we'd know this more. This is really cute packaging. Is this glass? This is glass. What are you, sir? Deeply hydrating, being greasy, brighten skin, fight signs of dehydration, damage. Apply to clean skin twice a day, morning and night. Why are they assuming my skin is clean? Oh, that is like the yummiest smell. FYI, I hate these. I'm not a fan. Nope. Because now I gotta find tweezers to take that off with, because I can't do it right here. FYI though, this smells really good, and yeah, I'm gonna use it. I don't think I have a vitamin C cream I'm using right now. No. So this is it. Cool. Bubble wrap. Huh. So I know if you watched my previous Boxycharm videos, but I've received this item already. If I haven't received this, I received a similar item, but I could have sworn I received this one. And of course, I don't have it out here because I put things away. Ooh, that's cute though. Maybe not, because this is pretty. Look at that. Hello, sir. Maybe I received something similar. Oh, it's a little raised too. That's nice. So back to my original whatever. This is the Editor Palette New England from Ciate London. They make really good products. So I guess I shouldn't complain. You can never have too many of these. If I can open it. There are instructions? No? Okay. Oh my god, you want to open, just open. Are you sealed? Sir. What the fuck? Oh! Got it. Oh, that's actually kind of cute. Aside from this being like one of the toughest palettes to ever open, this is kind of cute. Oh, I should show you, huh? Ta-da! Like blinding, beaming, bright, shiny, but these are cute. That's the Ciate Editor Palette New England. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 items so far. Okay, so and that's it. No card. So I don't know what box I got. I don't know how much any of these items cost. I don't know much about them other than what I can read on the packaging. But those are the items I got in my Boxycharm box. This was my Boxycharm premium box for the month of August. Thanks for hanging out while I opened it. Let me know in the comments what you ended up getting. I gotta say, I'm not too excited on this. There were a few things that really wowed me. By a few, I mean 2. So this should be my last premium box from Boxycharm since I did cancel, I want to say at the beginning of last month. Yeah. Not too sad to see it go. I still have my regular Boxycharm box anyway. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button, and I will catch you next time. Remember, we do this every Thursday and Sunday. Okay, bye!